Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Ed. In this video, I will guide you through how to show the seconds on the menu bar clock on your Mac. For that, first of all, go to the Apple icon which is on the top left corner of your screen. Then, from the drop-down, select System Preferences. Under the System Preferences, you will see Dock and Menu Bar option. Click on it. Now, scroll down the left nav bar a little bit. There you will see Clock under Menu Bar only. If you go through it, there you will see Time option available there. Under it, at last you will see Display the Time with Second option. If you select that, then on the top you will see your seconds will be appear. If you do not want to display the time with seconds, then simply unselect this button. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.